They have the juice, the crackers, some pretzels, and I drink the juice. See you guys when we get there. On the train, we flip the seat around. And see you guys later. Peace. In Atlantic City, look at the beach. I'm gonna try to do an intro here too.
Dean, come the bay. Come here.
Look, Barry the Bay. How does it feel to? Oh, she got sand in her eye. How does it feel to be there? Nice. Okay, bye.
So they have buried Neve in the dirt. She can't get her arms out. She'll be okay. And they went over there to flush. Dave, turn around, Dave. Make Mimi's name in the dirt with Nadine. And she over there hollering, help. Lift your arm up. And this one right here is seeking attention instead of enjoying the beach. There you go. Looks like you got your arm out to me. As you guys can tell, we love Atlantic City. We're always here.
Oh yeah, pat those in.
Come on, hurry up.
This little boy.
No, Mom, we gonna start down by the beach, and then I'm gonna run into the water and just like splash.
And she thinks she can tell me how to start her intro.
But now, check out my channel.
Like she's not even paying me.
I
Yeah,
am.
check out my Mimi.
I'm paying you to subscribe.
Oh, you're gonna subscribe to my channel?
No, I'm gonna tell my subscribers to subscribe to your channel.
Oh, okay. That's a plan.
Check out my channel if you want to see my intro. I haven't been posting in a while.
Yeah, she's been being lazy.
Not lazy, that just they've been fine. Okay, well, come on. Okay, anyway, don't tell them how my intro's gonna be. They have to check out my channel to see.
All right, guys, stay tuned. Bye.
Let me vlog you guys.
My cousin's vlogging.
Come on, We're going in the candy store.
Me too.
Everybody wants to get down like that. Wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a boy. I would call it.
They're fighting over some food.
I'm gonna put a piece of bread on your head.
Well, that one was just close.
Just shoot that thing.
They were just fighting over a piece of pizza that somebody
I remember when we used to be downtown, and the kids would take their McDonald's.
just came out of everything in the sit store. We got some ice cream and some shoes for her because her shoes broke. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace.
Suger Crossing Road, Trenton, New Jersey, 08625. Website www.state.nj.us.
All right, come on, guys, I got you. At the memorial site for the veterans.
Burger King because we just got home and we're hungry. So, yeah. See you guys later.
Hi, guys. Well, we're at Burger King and we're winding down our day out at Atlantic City. And I know I'm eating, I'm starving, but I just wanted to end this vlog and let you guys know that I'm going to be more consistent on my channel. Took a little break, but I'm back. Bye.